Hey folks, welcome back to the channel where we're all about reclaiming your life and unleashing your full potential. Under the title, Reclaim Your Life, we're going to dive into powerful strategies and be right there with you on this journey. Ready? Let's dive in and get started. Overcoming obstacles. Life can throw us some curveballs, but real power lies in our ability to overcome them. Don't shy away from challenges. Face them head on and never give up. Remember, challenges make you stronger and help you reach your true potential. No matter how tough life gets, never give up. Every obstacle reveals your true strength. Challenge them and transform your life. Boosting self-confidence. When dealing with obstacles, boosting your self-confidence is key. Leave negative thoughts behind and strengthen your belief in yourself. When you have confidence in yourself, you can achieve anything in life. Be strong, be bold, and move forward confidently. Believe in yourself and conquer the world. Setting goals and achieving them. The road to success is all about setting clear goals and steadily working towards them. Define your goals clearly and work towards them with determination. Your goals are the guides that shape your life and make you a better person. Take step-by-step actions towards your goals, and success will be yours in the end. Don't give up. Work towards your goals and make your dreams come true. Turning negativity into positivity. When faced with negativity, tackle it with a positive outlook. Every challenge contains an opportunity for growth. So, view negative experiences as learning opportunities and move forward stronger. Negativity should not discourage you. Instead, it should empower you. Face the negativity, learn from it, and move forward stronger. Taking forward steps in overcoming obstacles. Dealing with obstacles isn't easy, but you shouldn't fear facing them. Obstacles only provide you with the chance to showcase your strength. Have confidence in yourself, be brave, and move forward with determination. Remember, there's always a way in life, and every step makes you stronger. Obstacles can't stop you. They only make you stronger. Be brave in overcoming obstacles. Move forward with determination and reclaim your life. All right, folks. The key to reclaiming your life and overcoming obstacles is unlocking your inner strength. Believe in yourself. Focus on your goals and move forward with a positive outlook. Obstacles can't stop you. They only make you stronger. Until the next video, take care and keep reclaiming your life.